Today we're going to look at Canva's new copy art style feature to get two elements which are very different styles and convert them into something that vaguely matches the style of each other so that you can use them on a book cover, for example. Let's go. Okay, let's go to Canva homepage, create, and let's create a book cover. You can book cover. You can use Canva's own template, which is kind of small, so I'm going to use a slightly bigger one. 1600 by 2560, which is what Kindle recommends for their book covers. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we help authors use Canva better for their book marketing. If you're an author and would like to talk to other authors, come join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of tea, again, link in the description. I found two graphics, which I just got out of the Elements library. There we go. And what I'm going to try and do is get this guy to be in the same style as this lady. So as you can see, they're different styles. One's slightly muted and one's got sort of hard line outlines. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to here where you've got the paintbrush roller. If you can't see it, you click on the three dots and it'll come up. So you've always had the copy style button, but this now you've got copy art style or copy basic style. Copy basic style is if, I don't know, if you put a shadow in, for example, you can copy the basic style across. But we're going to do copy art style. This is a Canva Pro feature, so you need Canva Pro to use it. If you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, there is a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, but it won't cost you anything extra. Okay, so we're going to go copy art style. Then we're going to take the roller and apply it to the man. I don't know why this has come up still, but okay. So it takes a few minutes. I think this will be very useful for book cover designs when you have different elements that you want to put on your book cover, but they're not quite the same style. It's not as whizzy as it could be in that it doesn't work on, say, photographs. It can't turn a photograph into the same style. Okay, so it has copied the style. It's got the hard line drawings and the colors. The guy looks completely different though. So some limitations, and this is using Canva AI, so and it is generative because it's generating a picture. So if you have worries about generative AI, just bear that in mind. This graphic, if I tried to turn it into something else, so I don't know, let's find a so if I tried to turn her into something that looks more like this, copy art style, it possibly won't work. Oh, it did work. Huh. I really like that. That's very cute. Okay, I take it back. It does work. There you go. Copy art style. It is going to be very useful when you've got images that don't match and you want them to match a bit more. Just a top tip, if you don't want to use the AI, one of the things that you can do to find other drawings by the same person is you right click and you find info, and then you go to view collection, and you can see all of these other drawings which are done by the same artist, and that's the whole set of them. So that's a top tip if you are looking for graphics for a book cover and you want to find, say, two characters drawn by the same person. I hope you found this useful. If you did, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.